pay her money. You probably owe her some money or something. Give her money. And let's squash this, bro. For real. Get you a loan. Look, hey, Miss Big Crash on her know your brother. He finna call him and tell him. He know your brother, Big Crash. He gonna call him and tell him. Okay, y'all. Yeah, call him and tell him for me, man, because, you know, we need to let them reunite. Everybody needed some love in their heart. Put a little love in your heart. Okay, hey, look out.
Been there that way before.
You look like you be watching YouTube like it ain't nothing, man. This is my, you don't? Oh, okay. Okay, he don't watch YouTube, y'all. Y'all do?
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, they be on YouTube. I sure appreciate y'all. We had one non-YouTube watcher. I done figured out people be lying when they, look out, mister. This is my YouTube channel. You check it out. I done figured out people be lying when they be, look out, miss. This is my YouTube channel. It's going down like James Brown. Yeah. Look, you check it out too. Tell your uncle now. Tell your uncle now. We got Mike Morgan in here, y'all. We got Mike Morgan in here. You gonna make a full pass, right? I'm betting with you. I'm betting with you. You make a full pass. Don't start all of it. You know you supposed to make a full pass. He done made 9 full passes. Now he talking me he gonna try 2. You know he finna make a number 10. We got this one parachute. Who don't watch YouTube? I don't know. Let me make sure. Hey, oh, that's my boy, man. What's up with it, man? I miss you, man. Where you been?
I've been out here. I'm just out here helping Mike right now.
Damn, bro. This is my boy right here, y'all. He used to pull up. He just started disappearing lately. I don't know what the hell he going through, but he ain't been showing up like he used to.
We out here most of the time.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Damn, man. You been alright though? Okay. That's my boy, y'all. Hey, Brad, this you?
It's Brad drives it.
Okay, Brad drive. This is my YouTube channel, man. Tell Brad I'll be on there. I'm gonna have his car or something.
Okay. Yeah.
And he be going down. This is my boy. He always on there.
A lot of these.
Yeah.
He got the drone and all.
Yeah, I got the drone. He been there since day one, man. He been knowing me, you know, like long time, bro.
From way before.
Yeah, I wasn't even doing nothing. I already knew him. We was chilling, you know, man, chilling like it wasn't nothing. Yello Belly, man. We used to be chilling. Man, so that's my boy, y'all. Look out. You on my YouTube channel?
I am, bro.
I was tripping. I'm trying to boost it up. Hey, you look like, I don't remember him, y'all. He ain't on my YouTube. Nah, it's only at 20,000, man.
20,000? You gotta get your car back out.
I got my car out.
You gotta get it back out.
I pulled my car out, y'all. I started driving it on the street. The fan wasn't working. I'm like, man, I don't even know if the fan bad or like, man, this shit here, fool.
Dude, I know.
I think the transmission was shifting too. It ain't leaking or nothing. I think I could actually, I might be good. I might be good.
I've only seen you run that car once, man.
It broke. I'm finna drive it. I'm
drove it out the Yello
I'm
Belly?
really scared. I'm really scared.
Why?
Cause it just was turning up so much. And then now that I'm like right now it need a fan. Like I don't know if it need a fan. Do I got a computer problem? Do I got a wiring problem? All I know is the fan ain't coming on. And I gotta check it. I don't even want to check it, man. I need a good ass mechanic that can check over everything. I just want to race. I don't got no team.
Man, bring that shit by Vic Tech Performance. We'll look at
Vic Tech?
Vic Tech Performance.
Okay. I need to go somewhere, man. Every time I'm trying to, yeah. Yeah, I got people want to race me and shit. I'm supposed to be knocking the doors off there. I'll drive it out here with no fan, though. I already tested it on the highway. It'll stay at 200 with no fan.
Way too hot, bro.
Oh, you don't like 200? I'm cool with 200.
Big block, maybe.
Nah, it was at, yeah, mine was at 202. 203. No, I can ride it on the highway, no fan. I had to drive it all the way home like that.
Yeah, that's true.
I had got it all the way to 230.
You drove it out to Yello Belly one night.
Yeah, I used to drive it all the time. That was the fan working then, but now the fan ain't working. I don't want to drive it. So I'm gonna have
I'll
to.
hit you up this week. I got an extra small one. I mean,
I think the one I got might still be good. I got a good big radiator.
I just run a hot wire.
Good big fan. Yeah, I need to check the hot wire. I'm gonna check the hot wire to it, y'all. Damn, man. I can't be with no fan. Then I'm trying to put AC on it. Damn, man. I might need another fan. Dang, y'all. I'm trying to build a car from the factory. I'm trying to build a car. Dang, my TikTok done got all the way down to 200 people. 215 people. Hey, Sparky, get on my YouTube channel, man, because I'm going to turn off TikTok in a minute. Look at him in this green thing. He just know that paint clean. What he thinking about? Look out. You on my YouTube channel?
Huh?
You on my YouTube channel?
Yeah, I've seen it.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it's going down like James Brown.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Okay. Man, this thing here long as fuck. Honky Town Hero. This thing here too damn long. How many lookouts I had? I think she made my shit extra strong. I'm gonna wait till the end of the night to get another one. Let me see. You two got head in your way. Stop by later. Okay. Hey, that's y'all. Look. That's my YouTube channel. Look out, race.
Before when you were doing the drone stuff?
Yeah, that's me.
This car used to be silver.
Oh,
I was like, hey, next time you do a drone, I wanted to get some footage of it.
Damn, y'all done painted it?
Yeah, I remember it was silver.
Man, I don't remember this car. This thing look long. I bet it transfer good.
It's good stuff on
Yeah. Hey, y'all, he be on my YouTube channel, y'all. He said it's good. Y'all need to subscribe because he said it. He already said it's good.
Watch it on hood to hood.
Yeah, I need all his friends. I need his auntie, uncle, them, they friends. I need everybody get on my YouTube channel. I need all